Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Ajit Prasad Jain. He was born on 6th of October 1902 in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. He completed his education at Lucknow University and obtained law degree from Lucknow University. After entering politics, he joined Congress Party. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from United Provinces on the Congress Party ticket. He spoke on various issues in the assembly. He spoke on concept of equality. He spoke regarding the provisions of emergency and was of opinion that the power to declare emergency should be vested with the legislature and not with the executive. He expressed his views regarding presidential election. He also spoke on the issue of discrimination. We will just see that. On 29th of April 1947, quote Ajit Prasad Jain, I have also included hospitals and dispensaries among the places in regard to which no discrimination should be made provided they receive aid from state funds. Educational institutions, dispensaries and hospitals are very necessary for the moral, mental and physical development. My opinion is that any public institution which receives any assistance from the state funds should be open to all persons irrespective of their religion, caste, race or sex. So this was his opinion regarding the entire how discrimination should not be there in the hospitals, educational institutions. We are thankful for contribution given by him in making the Constitution of India. Namaste.